Welcome to the You versus Google course. This has been a long time in the making, and I'm so excited to finally have it live. I want to make a couple of disclaimers. The very first one is this is not going to follow the standard template that you're used to. So if you've taken other Google courses, especially if you've taken Google certification, realize that I'm teaching you how to break the rules. But I'm teaching you how to break the rules in the way that's going to work to your benefit. That's the name of the course. It's You versus Google. So Google's recommended approach isn't in your best interest. And we've proven that in my agency time and time again. I own a Google Ads agency called Solutions 8. We're the best and most respected Google Ads agency on the planet. And I don't feel bad saying that because I feel like we've worked very hard to earn that distinction. I have 130 clients. We've been in business almost 15 years. And over that time, I've had the opportunity to honestly make a few mistakes, quite a few mistakes that you're going to benefit from because the exact model that we use for our clients, the exact model that we use for every new account that we build is what I used as the template for this course. It's what I'm going to teach you. Another disclaimer that I want to make is this is a lead generation course. This is going to teach you how to build Google Ads campaigns if you're trying to get people to fill out forms, call you, download, schedule, etc. If you're an e-commerce company, if you have an online store, this isn't the course for you. Now, you'll learn some things from this course, absolutely. But it's not going to walk through e-commerce specific marketing campaigns. We actually have an entirely separate offering for that with our 3x Shopify challenge. There is a course coming for that soon, but this isn't the course for that particular implementation. But if you're looking for lead generation specifically, then you're in the right place. I'd love to see what you think of this course. I'm offering a 100% money back guarantee for 90 days. So if you buy the course, you've got 3 months to watch and engage and decide, you know what, this is awesome. I really like these guys, or it's not for me. And if that's the case, we'll give you all your money back. And I'm doing that for quite a few reasons. The first one is I've bought a lot of courses in my life, and some of them were awesome and life-changing, and some of them were not. And my biggest fear as a course creator is that I land on the wrong side of that line. So if you don't like what I have to share, totally understood. No harm, no foul at all. No questions asked. Just let us know, hey, y'all, not for me, and we'll be refunding your money. The other thing that is really important to me is that you actually get value out of this. Y'all will never know how much I care about you being successful. We're in this together. There is a Leviathan, a $1 trillion brand called Google that I don't even necessarily dislike, but they definitely are, by intention or otherwise, running around stomping on small businesses. And it's my purpose in life to help you in this context, within the confines of the Google Ads world. And I want to make sure that I do that and I do that well. And so again, if you're not happy with the course for whatever reason, all you've spent at that point is your time. Let us know within 90 days and we'll refund your money. Otherwise, I think you're going to be pretty thrilled. I'm also going to do the best job that I can at making sure this course stays up to date because Google's changing stuff all the time. So I want to make sure that you're equipped with the information necessary in order to contend with those changes. I've structured the course in a really cool way so that you can see the course curriculum as it stood when I deployed the course, and you can see the changes as they take place. So no matter when you choose to chopper into the course, you're going to be able to see what changes were made so you know exactly how to contend with those changes. I'm really excited to see you inside the course. I can't wait to hear your feedback. And for those of you that have been waiting, I'm so sorry for the delay. I'm glad it's finally ready and done, and I appreciate your patience. I'll see you on the inside.